This is one of the least planned out videos I've had in a while. I didn't put any thought into what we're doing, but a little bit of a different video today. We are going to pick something up, but it was finally time to redeck the trailer. So instead of a whole in-depth video, we're just diving into it to get it fixed. Oh, don't say that. To get it fixed so that we could go pick up a project vehicle. So we're just gonna get that going. Coming out. Trailer. We're finally about to go get this project vehicle. Hopefully it's I'm just hoping it'll run and we don't have to use this Stone Age winch to pull it up. So let's find out. Oh, let's secure that. Ugh. Okay, anyway, onward. Oh my goodness.
Your mama.
Mom's an old lady. Holy shit, we made it back. I didn't film it because turns out the guy was a total tweaker. So did not feel comfortable to pull out a camera at all, but we got it. Gonna be interesting. We don't know what's wrong with it because again, tweaker. So we'll see. We'll find out what is really wrong with it in the next part of this video. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what I'm doing here and want to see more, tap that subscribe button, give this video a like and thumbs up, share it to your friends. You can also find me at the Bearded Tortilla on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.